Good evening. Today we will cook crunchy and chewy brownies. So what I have here, I dissolve 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of butter. So make it sure it's well dissolved. Then we will put the 1 cup of dark chocolate or chocolate chip, which is dark. It must be dark para hindi masyadong matamis. So, pag ganito na yung mixture niya, pwede mo na ilagay yung chocolate bar or chocolate chunks. I put 1 cup of chocolate. So, ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, while nagdi-dissolve yun, I arrange and prepare a two Pyrex baking tray, which I put some butter underneath and a parchment paper para to make it sure na hindi talaga siya didikit. So while waiting for the chocolate to dissolve, at low fire lang po siya, medium fire. You can add 1 cup of walnuts or 1 cup of cashew nuts or 1 cup of peanuts. So depending on you. But today, I will not put any nuts kasi wala akong available right now. So I just leave it that way. And to give extra flavor, to add extra flavor, I put 1/2 cup of this condensed milk. So makikita niyo nakadissolve na yung chocolate and then yung condensed milk, sugar and butter. Now it's ready to put your nuts, 1 cup of any nuts that you like. But since wala akong available right now, I'm gonna put the flour, 2 cups of flour right here. So, but before that, I'm gonna add 2 eggs. But do not put it directly here. You need to turn off the heat and get 2 eggs and mix it with this mixture before directly put in inside this